Creating a test with Twizzar is easy and direct. Just right-click on the method you want to test. Select Create Unit Test. Twizzar can make a test project for you if none exists. Twizzar does the following for you. Makes a test project automatically. Puts in the needed project dependency, and produces a test file. You can change the creation process to fit your needs. Twizzar makes a test class and a test method in the test file. It uses its API to create an arrange block with the SUT dependencies and the input parameters. You can change the arrange block with code or the Twizzar UI. It also prepares the act block with the arranged parameters to invoke the method. To finish this unit test, only 2 code segments need to be adjusted. The method name needs to be changed to a meaningful name and the assert block needs to be adjusted to the correct verification. Now, we can run the unit test.